no?
I mean,
Oh, yep.
What up,
that's also
Mikey
fine.
D? Sorry,
Oh,
DMP. Let me just bully
oh,
No,
this.
no way.
Let me just bully this kid real quick. You know this kid used to bully me in middle school.
no, I did not.
Mikey D used to bully me in middle school.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, okay. I'm living proof.
Bro used to give him noogies.
He used to call me a spicy meatball, an Indian, and a fat brown
Damn.
retard, and
In the past, in the past.
yeah.
Now he just thinks that he doesn't call it. See, he's progressing.
Exactly. Yeah.
I'm sure.
You know what they say, DMP? Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer.
Indeed,
I'm watching.
indeed,
Hello,
indeed.
guys.
Wait, so you say he's starting to leave?
Yeah, he's threatening to leave. Yeah.
I mean, how's that threats?
Nah, he's like, I'll just leave the server. Like, it's okay. No worries. Like,
I mean, it's not even like that. It's just kind of like,
yeah. Ori,
mm-mm.
what's
Yo.
your name, bro?
Um, it's kind of difficult in English, but Kores.
Okay. What can I call you?
Oh,
Because that is a little hard.
yeah, yeah. You can call me Oryx.
Oryx. Okay, perfect. Do you know Zay in real life? Nay? Nay Zay?
Who?
The person that's the French person in the.
Oh no.
Okay.
I don't.
I was just curious.
He's French. I'm Hungarian. I
Oh,
met
Hungarian.
him in
Yes.
this voice call, so no.
Gotcha. No problem. I texted him to just calm down a little bit on the talking.
What happened? I wasn't here yesterday.
He just, I mean, it's the same thing as usual, you know? He's just talking a lot, but we're just gonna try and get him to stop.
Ah, a bit nonsense
Yeah.
usually. All right.
We just want to keep it like as legit as possible, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
I'll be right back
I
in
agree.
15 seconds. Hold up.
Where's-
Okay.
Alright. Let's run it.
sir? Today's OPEC, so if this shit is ass, I'm just gonna like not trade.
Yeah, that's totally fair. Yeah,
My stream audience.
today is OPEX. I didn't even realize.
Yeah.
Anyone doing anything fun this weekend? Going anywhere?
Yes.
The bed.
Bed.
Literally.
Mikey D, what you doing this weekend?
Hanging out with you.
Oh yeah.
Rather.
What are we gonna do?
Better see some good trades today.
I'm paper trading.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
What?
Um, I need to just I need to calm down on my eval spending. I'm just spending retarded money on it.
Good. Take a step back. Take a step forward.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the rest of the month off, just paper trade, and I don't know. January's been arguably the worst month I've ever had for trading.
January's mid.
I think whenever we start up the mentorship program, I'm gonna give Slazzy like full access to the mentorship and stuff. I want to teach him for free. I really like him.
That's fine. That works.
Mikey D's a mentee as well. A little baby
Bad,
boy.
bad. Now you're the bully.
Yeah. Little baby boy. What do you use for dabs, if you don't mind me asking?
Rosin.
You
Ash rosin.
you use like a puff.
Or what do I like? What device? Yeah, I have a puff gun.
That's fire. Are they worth it? Like actually?
Yeah, I'd say so. I think I spent like 400 on this.
Is it like portable? Like can you actually like take it on the go and stuff?
Yeah, it has like a case and stuff.
That's fire. Like if you wanted to,
Yeah.
like you're going on like a road trip or whatever, you could just pull it out and hit it real quick.
Yeah, I mean you gotta fill it with water, but they have like ones that are more portable, like cheaper devices that are more portable
That's kind of fire.
that don't require water or anything.
Because dude, I gotta get off these carts.
Yeah, I mean carts aren't that bad, but they like. I mean, I don't know. It's all the same. If you get like rosin carts, it's still the same, but they run through kind of fast.
Yeah, no, they do, but I don't know. I don't know. I feel different on carts and like actual bud.
Yeah, I mean, carts just go to your head.
Yeah.
I'm low-key bullish. Well, not even low-key, high-key, just because, like, yes, I took out Asia, and NQ Dame take out London, so let's see, NQ go higher.
Let me see. Yes. Oh yeah.
Got these pre-market highs. You have
Yeah.
a Devil's Mark at 885. And you have
London.
PM highs from yesterday and things.
I mean, YM and ES, yeah, both took out London.
Yeah, we do have an SMT at the top at London, but that SMT delivered ES down to Asia, so
Yeah.
the 15, we have bears 15-minute up here and like this inverse, but I mean that also delivered us to Asia on ES, so I kind of just want to see NQ lead and then target these pre-market highs and maybe like previous PM at 911. And we might come back. There's like an NWOG from it's like a week ago. So I've just been extending it over because yesterday we came into it and like reacted.
Okay.
But yeah.
John, did you already started the recording?
I did. Yes. I can restart it if you want or something.
No, just can you cut it off the first part when you ask me?
Oh yeah. I'll start it from like here on. That's fine. No problem.
Oh, okay, thanks.
No problem. Yeah. Good catch. We don't want him seeing that.
Did you already uploaded the yesterday's session?
I didn't yesterday. I didn't think I wasn't gonna upload yesterday's only because
Oh, okay.
I was saying some crazy stuff and
Oh, unfortunately, I didn't.
I can just send it to you personally, or I can just upload it to YouTube, make it unlisted, and send you a personal link if you want.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
Yeah, I was
just gonna ask what happened yesterday because I wasn't here. I had a short, but did you take anything?
I took a short. I took a 15-second short yesterday, but it wasn't the best trade, honestly. I could show you it real quick if you want.
Okay.
It was on the 15-second, and it was yesterday.
I took the 1 minute short right off open.
That was a good one, yeah. This was yesterday. Oh, this is 10:30.
Yeah, Loki. I just want to frame a trade into the pre-market high. We're also gonna end up SMTing if ES doesn't like correlate and come up with us.
I took this.
And that what was it?
Oh, no, sorry. I was just
Oh no,
telling you.
that if you go on the 15, like that devil's mark is also a volume imbalance. Like that 2 p.m. like open yesterday, just open and like I guess like open down and then never like made a top click on it.
No
I saw
continuation. No.
I saw that one. I saw that yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a volume imbalance there on the 15 now. Side 885, like that's another target if we go higher that I would like.
Yeah.
I like low key. I low key don't want to take any shorts, even if we kind of come down, just because like that SMT is huge all the way down to Asia.
No, that's a big SMT.
I mean, I'm just gonna fade it. I'm just gonna trying to lower my frequency. So if it just looks bad, I'm just not gonna trade.
No problem. Ori, this is what I took. You see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it
Nice.
didn't even fully deliver to New York AM low. I got lucky. It was just on combines.
Nice.
Yeah, it really wasn't the best trade though, but whatever.
Do you have SMT at this recent high right now? The ES is coming up, so I don't know, I just want to see higher. Lower to me just wouldn't make sense with that discorrelation.
Yeah, no, I agree higher.
And the other thing too is ES is technically held this 4 hour gap at the bottom here. Definitely weaker though in this leg, like on the higher time frame though.
How come when you reset the chart
Mhm.
and you have enabled the ICTQ zone,
Uh-huh.
it's perfectly okay. When I'm do this, it's messed up.
So, you got to make sure first off that the look back period, like the session drawing limit, isn't too crazy amount. So if you put it to like
Oh.
a week or so, it'll try and pick back up all of like
Oh,
recent.
the later.
Yeah,
Oh.
but like some of the lines aren't like drawn in, but your screen tries to fit it all in one thing. A
Mhm.
way to lock your screens is you come up here to this button, and then you like click these right here. So these will lock all of them to be the exact same. Then the first thing that I do when I come into the market is I click this reset chart view on all of them, and it resyncs them all together. So now when I move one of them, it moves all of them perfectly.
Yeah, I tried to do that.
And still same
I
issue?
have the yeah, it's still messed up. I have a session limit too, so just do 2 day, and still
Really?
it's
Which indicator are you using?
the TFO Q zone.
Really? And it's still giving you that issue?
Yeah, a bit. I don't know how to say it, crowdy or
You want to
uh
just share your screen real quick? I can just look real quick.
yeah. Um,
Let me see.
so let's say I'm here, and I have enabled just the Q zone
Uh-huh.
2
Yep.
2 days, and you see,
Oh, so now you have you're using a mouse?
yeah,
Now zoom in. No. So when you click the right side, like the right axis, and you pull it up or down, it takes you out of the reset view. So click the
yeah, I know.
Yeah. So click reset view and then just zoom in. Now just zoom in with your mouse. Keep zooming all the way in. Does it? Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't fix it for you. That's weird. Why it does
Yeah,
that?
and I have this
Yeah,
on.
that's really weird actually. Go into the settings of the indicator real quick. You want to just copy my settings because everything seems good there. Wait, go back. Sorry. Into the indicator settings. Scroll down. Good. Do right side right here.
Right side, what do you mean?
In the middle of the screen, you see display price
Oh.
and then right side. Click right side. Wait, no, keep going through the settings. Sorry. And then scroll down. Do show average.
This?
Yep. I just want to make it exactly how mine is and then see if it fixes it at all. You could scroll down. That's fine. Yeah, I mean, our things are generally the same. It shouldn't be like that. That's weird. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I know what you mean.
I don't know why.
Because you're still looking at my screen? Are you still
Yes.
So when I zoom out, it still keeps it unlocked. But then when I zoom
Yeah, I know, but when I don't use the indicator, it's perfectly fine, you see.
Yeah. Try and
So
that's so weird. Oh yeah, I see the issue right here. Yeah. Maybe try real quick. Can you add another indicator? Can you just add our session liquidity indicator real quick? Just type in session liquidity, and then you'll see by taking profits.
Pre-market bull run.
oh shit.
See if that fixes it. Just click OK. Now see if it fixes it or not.
No.
What? Dude, it might. What screen are you using? Are you using like a curved monitor or something?
A bit curvy, yeah. 32-inch.
That's like the only issue I could see. For now, because the market's about to open, I would just recommend just open a ticket and then send it to our coders because that's an issue that I haven't been able to figure out. Honestly, that's weird.
With your
Yeah,
indicators?
you could do hours, you could do session, you could do TFOs. It doesn't matter. We'll help you with
Okay.
anything.
Thanks.
No problem. All right, everyone.
Came and took out internal highs on the 15-minute. No S&T at the top anymore though, so or at least in this recent range.
What's up, Sabs? Easy sweep.
Yeah, we saw the highs inside that 15.
Wow.
Like we tapped that higher 15 in the leg. Golden pocket as well. It's just gonna be weird to take shorts because London has a draw on NQ, but ES took all of that and Asia.
Mm-hmm. No, I know what you mean. That is weird.
Mm-hmm.
We got the 2-minute inverse there. Let's see if that delivers us.
Let's see. ES is definitely far weaker. We're above midnight price on NQ. Like we've been wicking it and holding it, and then on ES we're like below it by a decent amount.
Yeah, I do see that.
Was at 15 into the open.
Yeah, if we inverse these 5 minutes, it's off to the races.
Agreed. Pre-market highs are too close to target, so ideally I would target that doubles market 885 and then PM session highs from yesterday 911.
Break even maybe at that internal high.
Yeah,
Let's see how strong.
depending on where the entry is.
Yeah, let's see how strong this reaction is.
We do have stacked highs up to previous day high. We have PM highs, lunch highs, previous day high, and then the weekly open is stacked to previous day high as well. Holy. One would have thought that was the open.
Yeah.
I almost thought that was the open for a second. All right, so we ripped through the pre-market high. We have SMT there now. Yes, but I mean, ES is printing strong. It was just weaker beforehand.
Intel's
We also have internal. I'm sorry, what?
Oh no, I was just saying Intel's mimicking this exact chart right now. It just spiked up.
Interesting. Yeah, that's an interesting candle right there, honestly. We have internal SMT like at the lows from 8 a.m. and then we have like the SMT at Asia, so double SMT at the bottom. We just made another one at the top. We'll have to see.
Yeah.
I do just want to see strength up towards previous day high there.
Unfortunately, this 5-minute trade idea is gone. We're gonna have to wait for some sort of a retrace or something.
Yeah. The 15-minute idea is gone as well because we took the high. So if we close the inverse after taking the high, it's just weird. I would have to see like continuation through the high.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you're right. I meant the 15, not the 5.
I know you get.
Yeah.
But if we get the close, I mean that's a start, and then I just want to see a trend continuation.
Exactly, 100%.
We failed to deliver off the inverse we made with the SMT pre-markets. That's another reason I'm kind of bullish here.
Mm-hmm. Failed to deliver off that inverse. We put an SMT at equilibrium of the range.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're getting some nice buy-in pressure.
Yeah. And I think like those 26 100s, like those highs into that daily gap are like the ultimate draw.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a matter of like when we get there. But
is that daily? Yeah, that daily fair value gap. Yeah.
Yeah, once we take all those highs up, then we're in there.
The thing is, I've noticed, and just like in my time, like on lower time frames and stuff, when we are making this wedge right here, it's super hard to actually target draws and liquidity.
Yeah, it is. I mean, we're just ranging, so it's like at any point we could just seek and destroy the whole time.
Yep. Oh, here comes the buy up on YM. Holy shit.
We did inverse that 15.
Oh, this is market open. Fuck.
It is. tap the 1 minute on that open there. I'm not gonna take it up, but the reaction is solid. That is a solid reaction. Tap that volume imbalance and that devil's mark there.
Yep. YM took out all those highs already.
Jesus.
Trading view is so
Yeah.
laggy right now.
ES might correlate here actually. Maybe. I did like that 1 minute tab, but I don't want to take the 9:30 candle off of it. I'm just gonna wait for it.
This is
At
the
15.
this is the laggiest I've ever seen trading view.
Yeah, I think Top Step's ahead of TradingView now. Looks like. Actually, nah, it's the same thing like yesterday.
Really?
Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, so we tap that Devil's Mark, tap that volume imbalance. See if we push back through it. That 1 minute gap from the open might click here.
Yeah, that 1 minute gap. Oh shit, we didn't close it.
Yeah. Just barely held it. On the 1 minute, like it does look like LR down towards like pre-market lows in London, but
It does. I mean, after
I just don't.
I mean, we just took out on YM. Let me see what we took out. We took out previous day high, Asia high, and London high already.
Okay, yeah, then S&T at previous day high. That's valid.
I like these shorts, honestly. The
They're getting
breaking.
heavy. Yeah, breaking with that internal low.
Yeah.
See, the 15-minute candles are completely opposite on ES and Q. ES is definitely holding stronger.
Yeah.
We did come down and put internal SM2 with that 930 low there.
Good shout.
I did like that candle close, but I also don't want to take long. I want to wait for a move and a retrace to the draw. Either a clean move up, retrace, continue higher, or vice versa.
Mm-hmm.
I'd also like to see ES possibly come up and get rid of the SMT up top because NQ is lagging, so ES could do that and then correlate.
True. Very true.
Yeah. Nearest draw higher I have is 911, which is the PMIs from yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah.
Higher, yeah.
Lime's bleeding now.
Interesting. I'm definitely not going to entertain anything in like this range here. Definitely have to
This is not
wait for
fun.
one side.
Yeah.
Only confluence here is just the internal low, the low of the day. That's about it. And then the 15-minute inverse, but I need to see more.
Yeah, I'm honestly just watching this 1 minute that we held, making sure that we hold
Yep.
it, or
Yeah, we reswept in it and still managed to hold it, which is interesting.
Lime's about to
Yes, it's coming up.
yeah, Lime's about to take New York aim low right here. That's crazy. Takes previous day
Sheesh.
high, then jumps all the way down.
Yeah, that's crazy. Let's move up here strong. Yes, coming up. Closer to the pre-market house.
Wow, Lime's bleeding.
Yeah, getting heavy here as well. So far, we are holding that volume imbalance that we tapped up top. Not displacing off of it, but holding below it.
Yep.
Yes, it does have like triple equal lows on the 5-minute at the bottom of the range. Just saw that.
Yeah, I still like this 1 minute. If we close below it, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, I can see it for sure. We also have smooth edges at like these, like 9 a.m. like 1 minute 1 minute range. It's just like that barcode there.
Okay. Keep in mind today is OPEX, so it's maybe not the best day to trade, fellas.
Yeah. You start moving through that volume imbalance. Come back over the high of day here. We haven't made any gaps yet.
This 1 minute looks terrible.
Yeah, it is so far. See, about 10 minutes in. That 5-minute previous wick almost looks like a rejection block, but I mean, I don't use rejection blocks. But
Did you measure it out?
yeah, we tapped 50% of it.
Oh yeah, we did. We tapped that perfectly.
And that was the candle that swept into the volume imbalance that we had there in the
Yeah.
2 p.m. yesterday.
Yep. Shit.
Shall see. So we'll need like, we definitely, if we want to be bullish, we'll need us to push back over that high in that volume imbalance. And then it invalidates the projection block idea.
Mm-hmm.
That 933 candle close was honestly really good, and I would have taken it, but like not after what I've been seeing with price action this month.
Yeah. If we close this 1 minute, I'm gonna take it on paper.
Why wait for like a continuation? Want to continue lower? Yes, it's technically still holding that 15-minute gap, so because we never flip it.
Okay.
And honestly, if NQ closes back below it, I mean, we just flip it back bearish technically.
Mm-hmm.
See.
Well, I'm about to take New York PM low from yesterday. Wow. I mean, YM's taking out both highs and lows now. Like, this is crazy. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
we have SMT on both ends of the market here as well, even with just ES. Oh, well. The most recent SMT is at the top though.
Okay.
What's that? To get that close right there.
I'm gonna try it on paper.
I get a 5-minute change in state here soon as well.
Let's see if the indicator caught it. Yep. It signaled this.
And the indicator plot, the setup, does it calculate the displayed ticker contracts, or you can set it up if you're charting on M in NQ, but you wanna see the contracts in MNQ.
Yes.
You know.
So I'm currently just charting on NQ, but if you go to MNQ, it's proper. It's like 4 contracts. I don't know how it's exactly set up, but I'm pretty sure it's just maybe set to NQ, MNQ contracts.
Okay.
I'm gonna go break.
So
even
if I'm charting NQ, but I wanna see in NQ MNQ contracts, it's possible.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Jab is short of that small 1 minute, like that candle was strong. See.
Yeah, I took that too. I'm holding to 795.
I like.
I have mine at 802 at London.
Yeah.
Planning to go break even at 808. We get down there, do those internal lows. Oh. We did tap a slight 1 minute here. Pre-market.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
ES just tapped first presented there. But that was a crazy spike.
Dude, of course, I enter sure they do some shit like this. Oh god,
No way.
here we go. And that came out of that 1 minute too. Like that was insane. That short is gonna get fried. What was that? Was that news?
I don't think so.
Nah, we didn't even have news.
Yeah.
9:45. True. Someone must have just filled 1,000 minis short then. My stop is at 8:53, which honestly will probably just run through that. This reaction's not good.
Yeah, ES looks strong here. Shit.
Yeah. We come back to the internal low, I'm gonna go break even.
But
No, that candle was insane though. I don't like.
that was crazy.
I genuinely wanna know, like I want to know what that actually was. There was no tweet or anything. Someone pressed the wrong button.
Someone's getting fired today.
Actually. Oh, all right. If we get that internal low, we'll break even. Let's get heavy MQ.
Oh wow, I didn't
Yeah.
even realize the 1 minute close on that inverse was also a 3 minute close perfectly. Like that 3 minute
It's fire.
inverse too. I didn't even realize that.
That was a good alignment, honestly.
Let's see if this wants to deliver.
Why would it?
But
We did get the 5 minute CISD on the close.
I'm gonna try.
Wait.
I'm gonna try some puts here. I'm gonna hold them till London or something.
If I get this internal low, so I can just take risk off here. I'll break even there.
Yeah, let's see.
And my TP at 795, the London low. I would target pre-market, but I mean London is right below it, so we flush pre-market. Ideally, we flush London with it, but we'll see. And we probably have internal SMT at that low too, so it's a solid break-even area.
Yeah. Wow. What the hell?
Yeah,
Ah, this is bad.
This is bad.
I expect nothing less.
Right. This 1 minute's gotta hold.
Yeah, I'm ready to break even. I'm just gonna wait on it now. I won't take a re-entry after that. because my entry off of that 944 candle was like low, like it slipped because of the way that candle printed.
Fuck.
You probably will go down to London, but I'm just not re-entering that. We also made another SMT at the bottom here. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna send it straight. One Q.
Bring me the money.
Used to go to those pre-market lows.
Give me London.
We should just flush for London after this. I would think.
Give me London. Come on. Wow, that's a crazy edge.
It really wicked me out to do that.
That is crazy. God damn, one tick.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Finally.
Winner, winner.
Okay, I'm done. This day is over. That's for sure.
I'm holding my puts to 750.
Asia low.
Yeah. I want to see us just keep flushing. I think this is sell side of the curve here. All of overnight was buy side.
Yeah, I can see it.
We got equal lows. 675. This has the potential to just be a TJIF and just bleed the entire day, honestly. Could totally see it.
Yeah, especially with EOS. EOS looks like it's holding like bearish stock construction. Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, we got equal lows
No.
down here.
they break me even for that. Well, I'm up $21, so up $100 on the day. A W.
W.
Here comes Asia. Just gonna slam Asia, no entry.
Wow, this thing is bleeding. Yeah, I like 675 honestly. These equal lows.
So, yes, valid. Asia's about to hit here. They gave him an entry. Well, I guess I had one, but breaking with doom and despair. That's Asia.
Dude, it's actually crazy because the first day I come onto paper, I take an insane fucking trade. Like, this is how I used to trade.
Yeah, just a clean like inverse down.
I don't understand. Well, like, market maker sell model, like everything. Like, I don't know why. Like, I come onto paper and I can trade so much more better. Just so much more cleaner.
Psychology of trading.
It is. At least I got this on options.
Yeah, definitely printed on options for sure. See what it looks like PM lows from yesterday, maybe. Draws a new day opening gap. Yes, already tapped that, but it's flushing through it. Guess have equilibrium this whole range at 686.
Okay.
Wow, that's crazy. That 5 minute CISD got wicked and just bloop. I should have limited that.
I did peep that, yeah. That was a crazy tap.
No retrace. There's no retrace. W.
Wow.
That's actually filthy. I'll lock out and be done.
W lockout. I wish I bought more puts. Holy shit.
Would have taken a 1 minute for that. That's what NQ. I'll take no trades for 8 months if you give me no retrace. Don't care. Shit, but the new day opening up to 720. It's about to get hit here.
Wow, dude. This is unreal. Dodgy indicator. I forgot. Completely caught this too.
Yeah, Dave from the top.
Nah, you checked. I saw.
Yeah, it did, right?
Yeah.
This is insane.
Ah, crazy. I could have hold it. Whatever. Or just leave a runner. Some.
No retrace, no problem.
Holy fuck. Bro. These puts are up 150% right now.
That's it. It's about to take out GMOs.
Let's see how Tritons did today.
I definitely had to have caught that 5 minute.
I feel like it definitely did too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I caught the 5 minute perfectly. Wow.
Yeah, we just came out of that and that new day opening up. 3 minute in flip there.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Five-minute gap up here now too.
Mm-hmm. 5-minute gap tab here. Should definitely get another entry right here inside of this 5-minute. Let's see what
Yeah, I'm
happens.
waiting. Would he stay slow? I'm just gonna. Bother.
Brandon, you take anything, bro? Nah.
Hey, would the next draw be 680?
Yeah. I got 673 marked out.
I bet I'm probably gonna enter off to this next candle.
Yes, inverse the 5.
Like banger short you're in, John.
Yeah. This thing's insane. Bro, look at this.
Yeah,
You saw
I was
it?
watching it. I was gonna take. There's like I've been trading this like new strat, or it's not like a strat, but like it's like a way of marking like OT on the 3 minute, and like it tapped it pretty clean. So I was thinking about taking it, but
This 1 minute.
I saw that the indicator marked that
Yeah,
it's
this
clean.
this inverse was super clean. Break even right here and
Yeah.
just-
Yeah, I saw that. That's clean. Good shit. I might take a continuation potentially if we get something clean.
I'm watching this 3 minute here. If we inverse this 3 minute, this would be decent. It'd be pretty good.
Oh, the little tiny one.
Yeah, tap into the 5 minute and then inverse back.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm low key worried it might want to like create this 15 minute though, and then chop around until it does, and then tap the 15 minute, then go.
Yeah, that's
What's your draw? Previous day low? Or the
equal lows 673.
equal lows? Let me look. Oh shit! Yeah, those are clean.
Yeah.
One more.
So we just tapped the 3 minute there.
If you take a look, 562 is perfect equal lows as well.
Let me see. I mean, honestly, dude, this has every indication that this is gonna be a TGIF day. Just continuously bleed. Yeah, I see those like relative equal lows. That wedge right there.
Yeah.
I've been holding puts since the top.
Nice. I'll jump back in a little bit. I'll see if I take anything.
Some form of continuation entry. I was looking to enter that, but something tells me that's not going to be the move.
Yeah, I'm
Also, need ES to come back below that 5 minute inburst.
okay. Yeah. I'm liking BBA.
3 minute has to go.
Yeah, 3
11?
minutes. 3 minute has to close here. I'm looking at BBAI for long term or like short long term kind of.
Oh yeah, I think they'd be good for long terms, honestly.
Yeah, I really like the way that it's forming a wedge, and I think it's gonna pop out to the upside soon, very soon.
See it. If AI stays strong, I mean, they're pretty new, but they're like pretty innovative in AI.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this thing's getting heavy.
Yeah. Or I make an SMT at this internal lower area. Flush it out.
Wow.
If we get like a nice flush through these lows, I think we'll go 676. We'll start trending to it again.
Mm-hmm. Don't really like that SMT, but
Yeah, I don't either. ES definitely like wants to stay strong.
yeah. I'm gonna put a mental stop loss to this 15-minute for value gap. I don't want to see this come tapping, honestly. Not yet, at least.
Yeah.
Or not really a stop
Sure.
loss, but I want to see us like leave that 15-minute open.
I agree. We did get that 3 minute to close, and I think I have like a 3 minute order block right here out of that 5.
Yeah.
We do look inherently bearish.
Oh, what happened with SMCI? It's running today.
That's different news.
Yeah,
SMCI.
Right?
Yeesh.
I just put a magnet under my my take profit, bro. I need this shit.
We just re SMT there, I guess technically.
With a hammer too.
I think NQ does want to trend lower, but it kind of depends on ES here. ES is kind of like hold where it's at.
Come on, flush, kid.
Close, kid. That sounded like a soundboard when he said his name. I was gonna say something, but I'm gonna wait until after we take these lows just in case, because they be listening, bro. Here, they listen. And not they as in CME, they as in Top Step. We are through these lows. ES is still above the internal lows. Kind of like if you look at the left on the 5 minute, we're just sweeping internal lows towards the external lows 676.
Yep. Come on, flush it, baby, flush it.
Flush. I wouldn't mind, a TP for my patience and re-entry off the break even. I didn't yell at you today, NQ. Reward me. Holy. Spike it, spike it, spike it, spike it, spike it. Yay.
I love it.
Good shit, good shit. This 3 minute
Hey, bro.
was
I'm stuck,
perfect.
y'all.
I got one last TP at 670.
Nice, good shit.
And locked out for the day. Fuck that. Love it.
Perfection, fellas.
Diamond hands for John.
Sensational.
That was
www.
perfection.
If
Did the 3 minute was alerted? Because it was perfect.
3-minute inverse?
Yeah,
Right here?
yes.
No, the reason it didn't was because we took out the swing low before we closed.
Oh yeah, I
it.
see. I see. Yeah.
if anyone's watching my screen, this is the trade I took.
Wait. Yeah. Okay.
Let me see.
You didn't wait for the 3 minute close.
I'll tell you what I did. Or you're talking about me or Jan?
No. I think
You, DMP.
yeah.
Oh, me. Yeah, I'll tell you what I did. So I was waiting for this 5 minute. We had to inverse this 1 minute gap, and I wanted to see us like reclaim it bearish out of the 5 minute.
Reimbursed.
Yes, I wanted to see it reimburse, and then also at that point, like we were just like flushing through this 3 minute, and like at the same time, this 3 minute has no reason to send us higher because this whole leg is bearish.
Yeah,
Or did y'all see gold?
I haven't checked.
we
Just
had
had a 20-point Drake candle to the downside.
Oh wow.
Hey, what? How big candle?
20 points on gold.
That's actually kind of insane. Dude, gold's hourly chart looks
Jeez.
horrendous. What the fuck is up with
Trump
gold?
is speaking right now. That's why.
Oh, is he?
Makes so
He
much
like
sense.
said something then and then like just dumped the market on like everything. Like that's why NQ just flushed. Because NQ flushed down right as he gold dropped too. And silver. John, that 3 minute short was clean. It just didn't give a good entry.
I know.
yeah,
I
he
know.
spoke about the Fed.
I was so close to taking it, but it was just like too far and the gap was so small. Did you exit your puts or are you still in?
I just closed them.
That's valid, yeah.
Like
This is like a reverse.
300% gain.
Nice. Good stuff, bro.
Let's go.
So can you put like a stop loss on puts? Like how does that work?
You can, but honestly,
Yeah.
it's all
It's
mental.
weird to do
Yeah, you gotta have like a mental stop.
because the
loss.
contracts change based on decay. So like if you have an original stop, it might not like when it comes back to that, it might not be that number anymore.
Okay.
Bro, I really want to know about Thinkorswim. I feel like Thinkorswim genuinely has like a way cleaner, like easier to use options chain. Like I feel like it's almost just like futures fills.
It's,
I don't know.
It's kind of like futures fills, yeah. Like you could set.
I know it like shows you too. It shows you fill price on the chart. Like you know how we have this chart on NQ and you can pull up like a price at a high or something. Like I'm pretty sure on Thinkorswim, like you can have a chart that shows you what the fill price would be like at a given point.
Oh yeah, like what the contract's price is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I wish Robinhood would do that. Like it shows you like what your price would be like, say like up at the high or down at the low, so you can like kind of like position and like manage based on that.
You can
Whereas like
do,
Robinhood, you have to just like kind of
Yo,
think.
that's fire.
you
I
can
didn't
do,
know it did that.
yeah, you can do like market limit orders on Thinkorswim, I'm pretty sure. So like you just, if you want to buy the option at this price, you just put the limit order there, and whatever the market order is, like the fill is there, you just get filled there. Or they try and fill you there. I don't know exactly, but I remember from when I was using Thinkorswim, it's a very good platform. It really is.
Yeah, I definitely want to like look into it. Obviously, if I get into more options in the future. Also, those lows we took put us into a 4 hour on NQ, by the way, unfilled.
Yeah, that's a perfect like
And EQ of the range, that 4 hour
reverse.
range, bottom to top.
reversing
That
spot.
EQ.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Dodgy signal was about to hit right here.
Dodgy's definitely.
See, this doesn't look bad because I wouldn't mind like this and that there's like the recent high at 10:07. Like
I agree. Yeah,
it was a simple draw.
we just got the signal there.
That close was super strong as well, and we got it off of like clear sweep,
Yeah.
4 hour.
Dude, I swear to God, if I could just like pick the draw on liquidity every day and make money, I would be a multi.
I mean, that's all you have to do.
Yeah.
I went back and looked through my Discord, and when I was on Apex, I was literally just like longing or shorting once we were within 20-25 points of the draw, and my win rate was fucking insane because it's like, bro, if we're fucking 20 points away, like if we don't hit that draw, then it's just chopped.
See, like I agree. The only thing that scares me is like getting retraced on, and like I don't know what it is. Like I get such like I don't know why. Like for options though, it's weird because like I'll just take it and I just know like, all right, I'm not gonna come above the swing high. But like I guess positioning and then like actually being down the money in the futures, I don't know what it is. It like fucks with my head too much.
Yeah. I mean, my entries, I just don't think of them. Like, I mean, I'll just make a scenario in my head, and if it happens, I'll just take it regardless. Like, with that 5 minute, I only wanted to take it if we reclaimed that 1 minute, and then the 3 minute became another condition. I didn't mind it not closing because, like, if we got weak through that 3 minute, then we just definitely weren't gonna hold it. Like, I would have had to see us wick. And like, just the whole leg is just bearish. That was pretty much like the first retrace of the leg. So.
Wow, this thing is just continuously dumping.
Yeah, I'm not opening Robinhood.
Yeah, I'm done for the day.
Yeah, I'm also done. did 3,300 on each account for these combine garbage.
Fire.
Yeah, I'm going back to my continuation only. All my trades on Apex all were the same, like the exact same trades every time.
That's totally valid.
So like that 1 minute inverse, you got 941. Like I waited for the gap, then took the entry instead of just taking the inverse. Still got break even, but valid.
Oh, okay. So I see what you do there. So you wait for the inverse, and then the gap tap, the revisit of it, and then the reaction out of it.
Mm-hmm.
I see.
And in that case, if we don't have like a bearish gap, then ideally I just want like a shallow retrace into the inversion, and like I want to see a candle like the 944 candle.
Yeah, and
then we had that London low, and it was just obvious.
Yeah. Okay. I see.
I just want break even, but I think in that trade right there, I think really that's a trade where it's just kind of like I don't know, don't go break even because it's only a 30-point trade, so it's like once we start getting volatile, it's not hard to wick through.
So I'm not gonna lie, I think I entered like roughly the same area, like after we spiked down, like the 944 candle. I think I entered my puts there, and like for some reason, like I didn't even think about like being in drawdown or anything because I know that my trade is gonna be invalid all the way at the swing high. But I guess with futures, like having to properly size it and then put the stop loss all the way up at the top and like still make it worth the risk to reward and everything is just like difficult and everything. But I don't know.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, I don't know. I need to bet. My discretion needs to get better. Like breaking even. Like in that case, that's another trade where I should have waited for my break even to get closed through.
That's true. Yeah.
Because right there, it's again like I went break even at that internal low we made during the trade, but I went break even when we swept it. But if I would have waited for the 951 candle to actually close, and then gone break even, would have been good.
Yeah. I see.
I just talked about that too. That's fine. And honestly, where I went break even at that point, we were only like 12 points from my TP. I'm not holding risk on when we're that close.
No, it's totally valid.
Yeah. One break even, one win.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
No, it's fun.
At least it was a decent day to end the week. Because I would have like, if today would have been chopped like yesterday, I might have lost my mind. Bro, and that devil's mark from the top actually held. We actually wicked it and it held.
Yep. That's crazy. That really is crazy.
That's genuinely insane. But I guess in hindsight, we typically don't get like higher time frame inbound, like volume imbalances like that.
Yeah.
Especially with the 2 p.m. open, it was like I feel like that's like insane. I don't know. That'd be a good example for our opening prices.
Yeah.
Came up 2 p.m. open from yesterday and used it and delivered this entire move today.
Oh, it was perfect, dude. Literally perfect.
Like actually.
Was that GP too? Golden Pocket?
Possibly. I'm gonna take it right now.
I think it was deep in, but whatever the case may be, this is perfect.
I think it was like just at the last point of the Golden Pocket fib.
Yeah, this was literally picture perfect. This is how all my trades I want to be.
It's just because we had everything, but yeah, that was like we wicked out perfect like 70 or 705 Golden Pocket and then held below.
Mm-hmm.
I guess the reason today it worked is just we made double SMT at the top, so we re-SMT'd again off the open at the top, tapped into that devil's mark and volume imbalance, and then the 5 minute gave confirmation via the CISD, and then you have all your draws lower.
Yep. Market maker buy sell model.
Yep. And then with that as well, with that CISD, we also reclaimed that bearish 15 minute, or well, the inverse, we reclaimed it as bearish too when we made the CISD.
Yeah.
That was actually so.
This is valid as shit.
Who use any of the Lux algo indicators?
Nah. I don't really use any indicators to be honest. I, for some reason, just like to do everything by hand, but the indicators would make it easier.
Yeah. I know earlier on the way down, there was a couple bounces up. And you guys asked, like, or you said, like, you didn't know where it was coming from. These order block ones, I have a couple of them open at the same time, and they're like popping out really old ones, and they almost always bounce off of them. for like a smooth 20, 30 points sometimes. And I just have them marked out and I combine those with RSI. Like if that area is around oversold or like under that gap at the same time and it just
Mhm.
looks about right, it almost always bounces off of that. I think I went like 5 for 5 this morning, just combining those plus the trend. And
Yeah, honestly, that's
I
solid. That's
just-
solid for scalping.
yeah.
Mhm.
I just read the dodgy indicator chat and genuinely some guys are so lost.
I know.
Jesus.
It's sad, bro. I feel bad. The thing is, people think that you're gonna buy the indicator and then you're automatically gonna take every winning setup. It's you gotta know the strategy behind it. You gotta set strict rules for yourself. There's still a good amount of like discretion that you gotta use.
Yeah, for sure. And to know what you're doing.
Exactly. I'm
Yo,
glad.
Jen. Oh, my bad.
No, it's fine. I'm glad that you see it though, and that you see that you need to actually know how to use it. And,
Yeah, for sure. I've been doing this like 3.5 years, so yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah, no, it's. I mean, if you know how to use it and you know what to look for, dude, it's a cheat code. I mean, you see it.
Yeah, but this guy just joined yesterday, I think, Kitty, and he just spamming the shitty text
I know. Yeah.
about the indicators, and Tommy talked to him, but he doesn't understand it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jen. Do you know what do you know like how to use like RSI divergence?
So I kind of, yeah. It's like when it's overbought or oversold, then you wait for the cross of the lines and then you take it.
Kinda. I mean, I learned it different, but like here, look at my screen. This might be a different term than RSI divergence,
Yeah, I
but
love that. Yeah.
1 second. All right, let me see.
all right. So this is the hourly. So this is the stochastic RSI that I use. So it has like these settings that I got from this options trader. But he trades futures too. But basically, the way that like I learned it was like you see this high right here and like this high,
Mm-hmm.
and you see how like on the hourly we swept this high out,
Yes.
but then in divergence on the RSI we didn't come up here, and so like
Yeah.
there's technically like an SMT between the RSI and price.
Yes.
I learned it that way too.
Yeah,
That's-
and then
that's
from
exactly
there,
how I use it.
yeah, and then from there you can like assume maybe we're gonna turn bearish and like kind of have a bearish bias because of this divergence right here between.
Oh shit.
And
Yeah,
then from
almost
there we
like
just
the
kinda deliver.
CVD divergence.
Yeah, it can kind of like just like build like the start of your like conviction, and then like today, for example, like this is like how I just use it simply. But like when we're coming up here to this area, like you're expecting us to start like cooling off or like reverse, and like we came up here and then obviously fell off, and then yesterday as well we were up here like overbought and then
Yeah, that's
came down.
that's kind of how I learned it. Like wait for it to be overbought and then wait for the cross and then you can potentially look
Yeah.
for a short or something.
And then at that point, like I just align it with like the confluences we use,
Yeah.
and then it works out.
Yeah.
So like today, if you saw this and you were starting off with like, okay, maybe I like short, and then you saw the rest of this, and it all aligns. Holy shit, we are just dying.
Yeah, this totally has a case for being just like a complete dump day. Just literally
Yeesh.
all the way down. I think honestly, like we'll find some support around this 1 hour for a value gap around like 5:50.
Ideally, I wanted to. I
5:40.
thought we were gonna find some in this 4 hour right now, but
Yeah,
it seems
I'm in that short, John. The 3 minute right now.
Fire.
honestly that huge 1025 candle that just like flipped off. Did anyone take that?
Which one?
The
Yeah,
it was the
that's the
inverse of
one I'm in.
1025.
I'm in that
We like
DMP.
we edged
off
that
the
3 minute
inverse.
gap. It would have been super fire if we tapped in that 3 minute BPR and did that.
Oh, you took
Yeah.
It was still coming though.
you took the 1 minute flip sizey?
Yeah, I took the V shape.
Good shit.
I assume you're break even by now, right?
Yeah, I'm already break even. I took it at that swing low. I'm targeting previous day low.
What is
Oh, yeah,
that?
bro, going for a banger. 562.
It's 562.5.
Oh, I love that.
Oh yeah. Also, by the way, everyone, there won't be a live on Monday because it's Martin Luther King Day, so that is a bank holiday.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
won't be live on that day.
Well, okay, I look, you might just take it off early though, John, because
What? Okay. What's your
I kind of just want to hop off the chart. Okay.
Hold on. What's your position size worth? How many contracts you have?
Just 3 micros. I'm up like 200 right now.
Okay, you could take 2 off, let 1 run. Don't.
Yeah.
I wouldn't just fully close.
Or if you don't want to hold for the target, you can just hold for a strict RR. So if you want to go for 1.5 or 2 or a 1,
Yeah.
and just hold it to a
Yeah,
strict
y'all
RR.
okay. Y'all are right.
But you're break even anyway. So your worst case is you don't make money, but you're not gonna lose anything.
Yeah, well, like I had a pretty good trade in Asia, so I was just trading with the profits from that, like my
Yes,
risk.
that's valid.
Yeah. So this.
So
And I was
yeah.
just I was trading with enough to where I'd still have my 150 to have my winning day.
Yeah, dude. This is when you just let the runners run, bro. Trust me.
Yeah, you're chilling. Because if you're break
Yeah,
even,
I
no
took
risk
off.
on.
I took off 50%, so I'm just gonna let them run now.
Okay. Yeah. Just let it
Yeah,
run,
it's fine.
bro. Yeah.
I took it off at that 15-minute order block, which is tapped.
That's good.
Yeah, I mean, if you're break even, honestly, it's like your worst case is making $0 or losing $0 at the very
Yeah,
least.
This
thank
is
you.
also when you build the discipline and stuff, and like when you like, I don't know how to explain it, but like.
I have screenshots, Lazy.
I know what you mean.
that
I need
can
to
show you.
start learning to like hold longer and trust my bias.
Yeah.
I have screenshots, Lazy, that I can show you where you will genuinely ask me, how the fuck did you hold through that? Look, I'll show you right now. I actually just found one. Look at the live chat.
Okay.
This was on Apex accounts, by the way.
Wow.
My PA accounts.
I had these two.
That's insane.
Dude, Apex accounts holding that is insane.
So yeah, I mean, sometimes he's gotta hold that shit, bro.
Dude, I'd be tripping out
If I would have
Apex
closed
account
out,
doing that
right?
shit.
Technically, like this
sweating.
trade right here is technically valid to
that's
this lowest
crazy,
hit, right?
bro.
So it's like I could have closed at any point here, but it's like as long as this low is not taken, this trade was valid. It's just look at it. This is like yesterday's price action.
Yeah.
And I traded through that. We had the great wall of
Sweating
1
my
minute
dick
fair
off.
value gaps. You can see this fair value gap held for like 20 straight minutes on the 1 minute.
By the way, we have a public statistic for these Fridays when Thursday expands or ranging higher. Friday usually takes the previous day low.
That's the other thing too. I need to go back to like what the days do. Like Monday, Tuesday, you can expect consolidation. Wednesday, you can expect some kind of a move higher, lower. Thursday and Friday, you can expect like distribution either the other way or a continuation of Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
These
I
are
just don't
the
think about
day
that.
of week tendencies.
You know what's crazy now? We're correlated on ES and NQ now at the bottom. We have no SMTs.
Oh yeah. Wow.
I guess yeah. As of right now, previous day low would be the ultimate objective of today. We're just gonna keep TGIF Fridaying down.
And those are relatively equal lows.
Yeah, we also have an hourly gap fill below previous day low as well. Be solid.
We do have a unfilled. There's like an unfilled 1 hour at 6:11 that I'm probably gonna take off another micro at, just in case we like want to reverse off. It's like the last leg for value gap of the current 1 hour leg.
That's valid. That's also GP
Yeah.
area.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna take one there and then leave my last trigger for pretty stay low. That's kind of my goal.
Does anyone want to go over anything else? Any concepts? Any trades? Anything?
I was gonna DMP. Did you take anything?
Yeah, I took yeah, if you look at my screen, I took I'll share my actual top step screen. I have the executions on there. Let's see. You see this?
Oh yeah.
I took this 1 minute gap and this like inverse.
Yeah, dude, that 1 minute up there was so clean.
And then I just got kind of like a shittier fill. Like I kind of wanted to get filled around here, but then this candle slipped and I got filled lower. And I got break even by this wick, and then we delivered. But I was just targeting London lows, and then I waited, and we got this 5 minute tap, and then I waited for this. There was this 1 minute gap, so I like used the 3 minute, but I entered off of like this right here, and we closed back below out of the 5 minute, and I took that with the stop at this internal high, and then I went break even at this internal low, and then just held it down to
yeah. The only reason I didn't take that 3 minute was because of the like super far close and the fact that the gap. But I should have taken that 1 minute.
Yeah, this 3 minute close was like was kind of odd.
was
I think
devious, bro. It was
the only
so
way to take it
fun.
would have been like this and something like that to the draw, which still decent RR, or you could have done like an inversion stop at this candle high right here.
Yeah, but I
Inversion
just figured
stop.
like once I missed that, I was like, okay, I'll just wait for if I get another bearish signature, but if not, it might just kind of chop for a little bit. So I just waited and felt that V shape. So
Yeah, I guess like for Dodgy's model, technically, like if this inverses and takes out the low with it, then you wouldn't enter because that's the break even spot.
yeah.
Yeah. But I mean, we were just inherently bearish, and then like I didn't expect the 3 minute to hold because I mean, it wasn't. Where's it gonna deliver? It would have delivered us at most to like this next 5 minute up here, but like this whole leg is bearish all the way down.
Yeah.
And then you still have draws lower, so wait for a retrace and then play it out. We also like held 50% of that 5 minute perfectly there too. And
Yeah. All right, I'm down to my last row.
yeah, shit is running. Holy shit.
Wow.
I mean, at that point, if it's your last runner, just hold that shit to previous day low now.
Yeah, that's what
That's
I'm
the
doing.
last one.
I took off my one contract at that 1 hour, and I'm just holding the rest.
That's valid. It's a trade.
Well, I'm on this
Holy
new.
blood.
I've passed like a Lucid XFA, and I'm up like 900 on it. I think.
Fire.
Hopefully, I can pull a payout.
You got that. You got that.
Yeah.
You got it.
We are just-
Sizey.
We are
What's
TGIF
up?
Fridaying our way to straight zero.
No, I'm just saying you got it. Just this is the day. You just let it run, bro. Just let it bleed.
Yeah. I'm just gonna let it run. I already secured some profits. I'm good.
There you go. You just
Yeah.
let just play with the profits. That's it.
Yeah.
I would have been pissed if I would have held that trade because it hit my TP and then came up to where my break even would have been. That would have been fried.
Oh no, that would have been.
Fist would have been through the monitor.
P, did you use any fib retracement today?
Nah, not really. Nah, I didn't use any kind of fibs actually. Not that I marked out. The only fib that I would have used, or I would have
Dude, this
used
is-
like a standard deviation. I would have used like a standard deviation of this like 5 minute manipulation right here, and then like you have these targets. See this negative 2.25 lines up at these lows that we took right here. And then I deleted the other draws, but like I know that these standard deviations probably were through some like lows.
Wait, you
And
showing it
then-
on your screen right now?
Oh yeah, hold on. I have my top step screen on. Let me switch it.
Pretty good.
I'm retarded. I had no idea my mic was on this whole time, bro.
Now you're chilling, bro. Do you see it
Whole
now?
time I had no
Yeah, I
idea.
see it.
Yeah. So I would have. There's this like this 5 minute right here that came up and took out these highs. Like I would have taken a standard deviation from the top to bottom of that leg, and then these would have lined up with. I know these probably lined up with some kind of internal levels, but like these ones down here lined up with important levels. Like this negative 2.25 was around this London,
Yeah.
London low. From I think that
That's
was.
how you would have known
yesterday.
like to take the continuation.
I mean, ideally, yeah, you could use it, or I was just like, we're trending towards that low, so you just know. Because
Yeah.
I didn't use these fibs, but like now that I have the fib of like -4s at previous day low right here, so like
Mhm.
now that looks like where we want to go based on the fib.
Gotcha.
Um,
All right, that makes sense. I need to start
Yeah,
using those. I ain't gonna lie.
yeah. I mean, I mostly use like the manipulation legs. I use standard deviation fibs for targets, but I don't really use like golden pocket as much as I should. In today's
Yeah.
case, like on the higher time frame, like if you took the fib like this from the top to the bottom and then pull up the fib here, like you could see once we came up here and the market opened, like that's your fib
Yeah.
level right here.
And it hit it. And then, yeah, damn. Yeah, that's literally on it. That's crazy.
And then you just wait for some confirmation off of it, which would have been like this 5 minute CISD. And then if you trade like CISDs, like you would limit order this, like Justin Warline would have limit ordered that with a stop at like this high right here. He probably did take that, a stop at this high, and then just
And
like
let it run.
targeting whatever's down here.
Yeah.
Lord, Dodgy took the shorts, like you, DMP. Almost
The-
exactly like you.
Oh, off the reclaim gap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Solid. I mean, ideally, it's like if that 1 minute gap if that inverse wants to deliver, we should get back through it in that case, you know? Solid. Anyone else have any anything to go over? Any trades to go over? Questions?
What was that indicator? The standard deviation one that you have?
It's it's the actual tool itself. Here, I'll pull it up in this blank area here.
Oh, so it's okay. Damn.
You just
Okay, I have to
you
copy
just
that.
copy. Oh wait, those are for the retracements. So these are for retracements right there. And you want the standard deviation ones?
You wait. Go back to your settings for that one. I'm just gonna take a picture real quick. Oh, I could just.
Alright.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, these are for retracements.
All right, I got it. Thank you.
And then this one is your standard deviations. So these are the levels for it.
Okay. All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, fellas.
Yeah, good shit today.
Nah, today was a good day. I ain't gonna lie. That was crazy.
Good day to end the week, indeed, because I'm about to go buy a bottle of tequila, and that is getting
Yo.
shrank tonight.
Yo, bro.
Enjoy your weekend, bro.
Yes, sir. All right,
Everyone
boys.
enjoy, fellas.
All right.
Yes, sir. See you guys next week.
Easy.
Peace.
Peace.
Later.